Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my HennyThanGo's drinks. I've been getting so many people asking me how do I make it, which the recipe is really simple. With something like this, I don't really measure it out because you can make the drink as strong as you like, as fruity as you like. You can add more juice than alcohol, or you can add more alcohol than juice. It just depends on what you like. So I'm gonna start here with my mango punch. Oops. Then I have my Hennessy. Here I already opened up my Jolly Ranchers. Yeah. And then we just blend it up. So you want to make sure you put it all together. That's the thing. Mix it all together with the candy and the drink. I'm actually going to pour a little bit more Hennessy. A little bit more juice. And then then I'm just going to let that go one more time. So you just want to make sure all the ice and the candy is crushed up. So I'm going to take that off. And here I have my cup. And I just pour some syrup in it. And I just move it around. You can put as little as or as much syrup in it as you like. And then you just pour your drink in there. And then I have my cut up fruits. And I just put that on top. You can add a strawberry in the back of it if you'd like. And I just cut off the top of it. And just place it in the back. And then you add your straw. And there you have it, your anything drink. Anything goes.